Guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It's such a warm day. So before we get into this vlog, I just want to let you know guys, the previous vlog, it was all a joke. You know, the iPhone vlog, I didn't get any iPhone from YouTube. It was all a joke. So let's just get into this vlog. Alright guys, so finally I've hit 100 subscribers. Thank you all for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, so just go subscribe. The subscribe button is just right down below here. It's here, it's somewhere here. Okay, so Eid is just 2 days ahead. Today is second last Rosa. I couldn't vlog much in the Ramadan because I'm having this paper in July. No, not the paper. I'm having papers in July, and I'm having like 6 to 7 papers in July. So after that, I'm gonna start daily vlogging. Eid. I don't know what's wrong with our people. Like, people have gone crazy. Dude, just 2 a.m. in the morning, you just go out on the road and the road is full of cars, and they're like cars and cars everywhere. People have gone crazy. They can literally kill each other for just a pair of shoes or a dress. God bless Pakistan.
Yes, do. I did
it. अभी आप क्या कर रही हो?
क्या कर रहे हो? चुप चुप मना
चुप
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 गंदा बच्चा. Dude, this is some serious business. So I got these things for today because today is gonna be the last Rosa and tonight is gonna be a really big night. So you know, you just go to the shopkeeper and say, give me the mini bombs, and he's gonna give you this thing right here, this thing. So actually we tried one of these last night, but it didn't go well. You know, there's an uncle in our neighbors. He just came out and he was all shouting, and he was saying that who are these rascals who tried this thing. So actually I'm gonna try these tonight, and I'm gonna make a video. Actually I couldn't make a video yesterday, so now I have to just wait till iftar, so that after iftar I can try these things. It's 1 p.m. right now, and I'm just watching Batman, you know, The Dark Knight, and I'm just editing a vlog. So let's meet after the iftar. Okay guys, so the videos that you just saw, they weren't even like 1% of what we did last night. So this is it for this vlog. I'm just putting an end to this vlog right here. Just hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for some more stuff. And I'll meet you guys in my next vlog.